In this session, you will learn about how to use auto sum option available in Home tab. Under editing group, there is auto sum option, and we have more options under this. If you click arrow key, down arrow key, automatically you will get the sum, average, count, maximum, minimum. These are the minimum group functions to group the data and to summarize the data. Okay, so where you want to apply these sum, average, there you have to place your focus. Suppose I want sum of these salaries. So just say total of salaries, and here I am placing the cursor and apply the auto sum. So automatically the corresponding data range will get selected. See, equal to sum of D4 colon D12. So that it indicates range of the cells. Suppose if you don't want all these, just you can select the particular range. So now D6 colon D12, and if you want again more, you can select. If you press enter, automatically the total will come. And here, see, you can directly apply the sum function like this, equal to sum of, suppose I want TA totals. So what is the cell? E4 to E12. So E4 colon E12. So like that we can set the range of cells. Press enter. If you click on this, see, there is the formula. About formulas, detailedly we will explain in the formula tab what are the different types of functions we have, how to apply all these auto sums also available here. But in Home tab, initially we have some options, that's why we are applying. Suppose if you want to get averages, so average of these range. So where you are clicking, automatically the corresponding data will get selected. Suppose not only a vertical data, horizontal data also you can auto sum. For example, I am giving like this. I want the sum here. So auto sum, and here see, corresponding data selected. Press enter. So it will automatically includes the data nearby the cell where we are applying sum or average or count or something. So this is the average. So AVE or AGE, average. And if you want to count, see, here I will apply the count. So it is including even total of salaries. I don't want these two. So just simply I will drag up to that. So how many are there? 9 is the count. And if you want to get the maximum of maximum salary, then you say click here and use auto sum option and use maximum. So now drag up to this, press enter. And if you want minimum, minimum salary and click here and apply the minimum salary, drag and press enter. So like this, initially we will use these 5 functions. If you want more functions, then it will displays a dialog box, and here we will see all financial, statistical, all these functions we are going to learn in later sessions under formulas tab. Okay,